Hi, Amrita. Welcome to our show. It's always a pleasure interviewing you.
Likewise, pleasure being interviewed by Madhurita.
Okay, you've worked with a host of young actors. How was it working with Sunny Deol? I mean, and how was the experience of 2.5 kilo ka haath?
हाँ 2.5 किलो का हाथ और 2.5 किलो की हीरोइन.
That's a good one, really.
It was great. I think Sunny Deol is ever young when it comes to action, and it was fantastic to see him in real time, like doing action in real time. I remember he used to tell the action director कि मैं ऐसे पकड़ूंगा और मैं ऐसे देखूंगा आंखों में. And then that look he used to give, I used to be like, wow, dude, like when Sunny Deol does it,
Yeah.
you think that he is actually doing it,
Right,
like you don't need technology, you don't need SFX, you don't need cable
It's like
wires.
raw action,
Yeah,
right?
it's like he could lift 10 men flying all across, and he could actually punch
Has he
them.
lifted you and like dropped you down?
मैं वो नहीं बताऊंगी. No, actually no, he didn't. I didn't. That opportunity never came by. Because I play the news reporter in the film.
Right.
और मेरा ये मानना है कि मीडिया से पंगा नहीं लेना चाहिए.
Good one. I agree with you on that. This year, your films like Satyagraha, Jolly LLB, all these movies had a very strong social message.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you really think that impacts society, the people? Does it really make people think? Or people just go to the theatre, watch it and say, oh, wow, there's something in it, like, and we can't do anything about it.
Good question. Of course, it does make people think, or I guess it reiterates the fact that, things are really going wrong in the society. It's not like we don't know about it.
Right.
But obviously, when you see it on an inspirational medium like cinema, it somewhere brings out the patriotic feeling, that feeling of we need to do something. And I think cinema obviously has contributed. Forget cinema. Media has contributed to the fact that people have actually come down on the roads of Mumbai, of India actually, to fight for their justice, for things that are going wrong in the society.
As in, media has created a movement of sorts.
Media has, and I think media plays a very important role in galvanizing an issue in the correct manner, and bringing justice faster. And I think that happened
absolutely.
time and again.
In recent times, you've seen a lot of that, yeah. Talking about the media, you're playing a journalist, right? It's the first time, right? You're playing a journalist.
It's the first time, yes.
Yeah. So how hard was it? Did you prep for the role? And have you drawn references from all the journalists you've interacted with over the years?
Yes.
Yeah.
I drew reference from Madhurita, how to look pretty in front of the camera. मतलब लगना चाहिए.
God, really?
With all the hard work and all the stress and all the time.
Perfect.
Yeah, the deadlines and the pressures, you have to look good. So I learned that from Madhurita. So I just felt that once I stepped into the media shoes, I really got to know where it pinches, and being a lady reporter in our country is not
very
easy.
Tough.
Very, very tough. I know you can't keep your phones on silent and go to bed, because in the wake of a quake, you have to just get up and cover any story, which is like, whether it's a flood or riot or terrorist attack or whatever, you have to be there. So, and it's not safe. In our country, I think it takes courage to be a female reporter.
A lot of celebs strongly support the media. At the same time, they have this thing to say about the media that, lately the media has become very intrusive, very in your face. India is going a lot like Hollywood, like very paparazzi. What do you say about that? Honest.
Well, I feel that everything within limit is good.
Right.
So, I think I said this to you before also, that media is, of course, evolving. I think actors are also going all out.
Right, absolutely.
So media obviously better catch up with the trend. But sometimes when it gets into that little stingy zone, becomes a little negative.
Right.
So
stingy zone, okay.
Yeah, the vociferous and the we will expose you and okay, the paparazzi, talking about the paparazzi culture, I had heard that it's too expensive for media houses in India to hire paparazzi, operate full time, but now trends are changing,
Absolutely they are.
And that just gives me goosebumps and gives me shudders that okay, I mean, it just feels like, you're under observation all the time.
Walk out of your house and be a Zoom camera. I promise you that.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
As long as it focuses on the right things, I'm okay with the zoom in. So yeah, it just feels a little too.
But I guess the media and stars have always had this love-hate relationship, and that'll always be because I guess it's a need-based thing, right?
हाँ बिल्कुल
Yeah,
मतलब
like
but-
someone like a Sunny Deol is out there promoting his film, which is such a joy for us to see.
Yeah, I think that media has a great role in promoting our films
Yeah.
and promoting us. I always wonder, now that I played this news reporter's role, you know, I remember recently at the press conference, it was my idea to dress like a reporter
Right, right.
and to sit with the media and to ask questions to Sunny Deol. And trust me, I was so nervous. And I was
Really?
like, how does the media do this?
Yeah.
Especially when you have actors who are so senior, who have achieved so much, you know,
Yeah.
and then to ask them questions that would interest the audience,
Yeah.
you know, that would like tickle a few people here and
Correct,
there is
yeah.
not easy.
Yeah, to get the right content, which gets eyeballs. It's kind
Yeah,
of tough.
and some
yeah.
actors are a little unpredictable, like especially when you're dealing with Sunny Deol.
I know. It's very close, yeah, so you got to be careful. So, this is funny incident that happened to you at Chandigarh, right? Tell us about that.
Oh, dude,
Yeah.
that was hilarious. Yes, we were in Chandigarh to promote Singh Sahab the Great, and I was at this airport lounge, and this guy was escorting us to the VIP lounge, and he was like, "हाँ, बैठो, comfortable हो जाओ," and all. I was like, "Okay." I said, "Where is the restroom? यहाँ restroom है." So he said, "Restroom तो नहीं है, पर आप इसी couch पे rest कर सकते हो." And I was like, I looked at my staff and we had a laugh
It was
of
a
our
riot,
lifetime.
yeah.
And then I was like, bathroom kahan hai? Although I feel that, you know, bathroom is like, you know, place where you
Actually have a bath.
have a bath. But then he was like, अरे यही तो है, उसी कमरे को adjoining bathroom था. So it was amazing. Yeah.
A lot of these actresses, when they start out, they have this no kissing policy, no bikini policy, no this, whatever, and all of that, And you stuck, to your guns and not ever changed that stance. Why and how? And still you're here.
Fevicol का जोड़ है.
No, but really, didn't you think somewhere you probably would have got ekad offer more here and there if you had?
See, I think I began my career in the industry. Okay, or let me put it this way: that I never entered the industry with a mindset that I will do anything to be here.
Really?
And I feel that girls who enter with that mindset, it's destructive from day one, because everybody's so different, and if you keep emulating somebody else or coping with, I want to do because the world thinks that I should be here, I should do this. And there are lots of people when you're in an industry like this, advices are galore. In any
Right.
case, I think India is a country where advices
It's
are
very
like
easily
in
available.
abundance. हाँ.
Yeah.
चाची, नानी, neighbor, कुत्ता, बिल्ली, सब लोग advice देने के लिए खड़े होते हैं. So I always stuck to my core comfort zone and what I felt that I should do with myself and my career. और लोग क्या कहेंगे और लोग मुझे कहाँ देखना चाहते हैं उसके चक्कर में I didn't want to do anything that I felt like नहीं करना चाहिए था यार. So that was more important to me.
So when I've had this thing कि मुझे number one बनना है and I'm a part of the rat race.
I think when I entered the film industry, I remember I used to give interviews and say,
Yeah.
I want to be number one and I'm going
You
to
did
be
that?
number one. Yeah. Really? Yeah, but then with time, I think you just realize that you are so different, and everybody's different from each other. And somehow even as a kid, I never wanted to be a part of the bheed. I always wanted to do something.
Stand out.
Yeah, if I went on stage, I wanted to do something different, So I think even today in this platform of cinema, I believe that there are a lot of actresses who are glamorous and hot. And then there is an Amrita Rao, and she's different.
Yeah. And in these 11 years, Amrita, you've done fabulous work, great roles.
40 years.
40 years?
हाँ.
अच्छा, okay.
19 वो राज कपूर जी के साथ कोची में
1947 ले लेते हैं, चलेगा.
हाँ वो जो मैंने गाना
Okay, 100 years of cinema will do. You've done some great roles, and from your first movie, you made a mark. With your performance has always been spoken about. But do you ever think that, given the talent that you have, I didn't get my due, I could have done better for myself? Or do you recalibrate yourself every time?
I think as long as the audience keeps having this feeling about me, I'm successful. You know, as long as they feel that, oh, we want to see more, she can do much better and she can do more. The day they feel, yaar, jao yaar, ghar pe. You're so, like, you've done the same thing in every film. Now
Yeah.
stop. I think that would be the final nail on the coffin.
Yeah.
Jab tak they think that, you know, what you just said, I'm doing good.
Yeah. So talking about item numbers, have you thought of doing one?
हाँ, अभी करके दिखाऊं मैं? अभी कर
Total sizzling one.
मैं अभी कर सकती
But
हूँ.
really, I think you're very good at dancing also, right? So didn't you ever think of that?
Yeah, I mean, I would. I can do an item song if it's not contrived and if it's not perceived to be contrived. It could be different.
So what's the most special thing about Sing
How
Sound the
about the
Great?
media doing item song?
Like all the journalists together, like put up a show for the stars.
हाँ, मतलब काश मैं जिस जर्नलिस्ट के अवतार में सिंह साहब द ग्रेट में मैं एक आइटम सॉन्ग कर सकती थी.
Don't take a journalist avatar that seriously yet.
But टिच मीडिया कभी रोमांस नहीं करती, मीडिया कभी लव सॉन्ग्स नहीं गाती.
It's just that you guys don't know. That's
हाँ,
it.
क्योंकि वो
That's
कैमरा
it.
पे कभी नहीं होता. तो अनिल जी ने बोला कि देखो मैं तुम्हें चांस देता हूँ कि या तो तुम सनी देओल के वाइफ का रोल करो या तुम मीडिया का रोल करो. तो आई वाज लाइक चलो ठीक है, मैंने बहुत नाच गाना कर लिया है, अब माइक छीन लेने का समय आ गया है.
Totally. But how was it really playing, acting with a co-star who's so much older to you and yet so powerful? I mean, what kind of conversations do you have with him? Does he converse a lot?
Sunny ji is he's like Jekyll and Hyde.
Why do you say that?
Because on set he's totally different. Like he's just to himself and like a little serious in his zone. And when he's not on set, when he's not working, he's really nice, warm, those sweet smiles. I think Sunny Deol has the strongest body and the warmest smile.
So I'm going to ask you this. If you were a journalist, okay, what is the one question you would ask the following people? Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Something like Sansani kinds, okay?
Sunny, I would ask Sunny Deol, no?
Everybody.
Acha, theek hai. So, Shah Rukh Khan, I think being this self-achiever, I would like to ask him that, कि Mr. Khan, आपने अपने life में अपने इंटेलिजेंस से और मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी से अपनी ब्रांड वैल्यू इतनी आगे बढ़ाई है, फिर भी आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके सुपरस्टार होने में किस्मत का कितना साथ रहा है? लाइक डज ही बिलीव दैट वेयर ही इज टुडे इज बिकॉज ऑफ
Luck and destiny, fate.
या डेस्टिनी और हिज हार्ड वर्क? या and which one would he rate more in, you know, while contributing to his position here?
Very deep-rooted question.
Yeah,
I must
that's a
say.
question I've been dying to ask.
Okay,
Mr.
we
Shah
will
Rukh
ask
Khan.
him that for you. What about Salman Khan? Has to be something fun.
सलमान खान, हमने सुना है कि आप शॉर्ट्स पहन के, हॉट शॉर्ट्स पहन के, साइकिल चला के आपके स्टूडियो में फिल्म शूटिंग करने जाते हैं. तो क्या अगर आपको एक रोमांटिक डेट पर जाना पड़े, आप वैसे ही हॉट शॉर्ट्स पहन के साइकिल पे जाना पसंद करेंगे?
I must say, this is very dramatic for a journalist, really. Oh, but nice question. What about Sunny Deol?
I would like to ask Sunny Deol that if he was an actor in today's generation, would he be the real Krish?
Shahid Kapoor, your co-star and someone you make really the best pair with on screen.
I would like to ask Shahid Kapoor that, did you really date Amrita Rao?
Oh yeah, I heard some very juicy gossip of the two of you.
Yeah, yeah,
With the
because-
reason for his breakup with Kareena Kapoor.
Exactly,
Come
was
on.
Amrita Rao.
What
So-
happened? I didn't know of this.
Yeah, because I
So
think
what
that
did you
was...
do that was so terrible, Amrita?
This... excuse
What
me.
were you caught doing?
I think this
Yeah.
is... it's a perception that over the years I've read about.
Yeah.
People have believed and forgotten and then yet believed. So I think I would ask Shahid Kapoor that and I would want him to answer that on camera.
So how does he react to these rumors? Have you ever talked to him about this?
Yeah, I think once he came and apologized to me saying that I'm sorry, something like this came. Because, I think there was this one story which said that Shahid and I went for a movie together and we were very conspicuous in the theatre and something like that. So he felt really terrible about it and he came and apologized. He said, I'm really
So
sorry
sweet.
about this news. So, yeah.
You can probably ask Shahid who he's dating now. He's had a string for a while.
ठीक है.
आज बॉलीवुड में ताज़ा खबर क्या है?
मधुरिता किसके साथ बीच आउट पे इंटरव्यू कर रही है?
Oh my God, that's sensational.
That's the sensational. Like everybody wants to know who's next on Madhurita's list.
Okay, if there was you were writing an article on your own self, what would the headline be?
It would be something like maybe Rao 1 or Rowdy actress, something like that. Yeah.
Good one,
Yeah,
good one.
yeah.
So are you going to watch the movie on the day it releases?
I hate that. I hate watching the movie on the day it
The nervous
releases.
kinds?
Yeah, and the premieres that we have with the media, and we're sitting there with everybody in the world.
Their reactions.
And I don't know the film because I've not seen the film. I've only shot for it. I hate that feeling. You know, मुझे लगता है कि एक preview होना चाहिए, so that at least on the day of the premiere you're like
It
much
sinks
more
in.
relaxed and yeah, you're just watching. So yeah, that's the whole thing.
Superb talking to you, Amrita. Thanks so much for being on our show.